The half-a-billion-year-old brains and nervous systems of 15 ancestors of modern-day spiders and insects have been found in the frozen shale of Greenland. The brains and nervous tissue belong to a type of marine predator, known as Kerygmachela kierkegaardi, which existed around 521 and 514 million years ago. These sea monsters are believed to have had 2 long appendages on their head, 11 swimming flaps and a skinny tail to help them hunt their prey. Unlike the human brain, which has 3 segments, the fossilized brains of these predators only had a single segment. Researchers hope these simple brains could help shed light on how ancient brains evolved. While Kerygmachela kierkegaardi is not a new creature, finding 15 specimens of its brain in such a well-preserved condition breakthrough for researchers. Dr. Jacob Vinther, a paleontologist from Bristol University, and his team discovered the beast in Sirius Passet, North Greenland. According to the researchers, the brain of this creature changes the way we think about our own brain's evolution and bridges a missing link. Dr. Vinther said, "The fossils had been discovered over a couple seasons in Greenland, and the first fossils we discovered were beautiful specimens of this Kerygmachela, as well as being really important fossils that help show us how arthropods evolved. You can call it a missing link as it contains feature that exists in living creatures, but not in previous fossils." Researchers say the animal would have been up to 10 inches long. Until now, experts thought the common ancestor of vertebrates and arthropods had 3 segmented brains, but the simple brain of the kierkegaardi proves that was not the case, writes Live Science. The simplicity of its brain also meant the predator could survive the Cambrian explosion, more than 540 million years ago, when a bust of life emerged on Earth. Arthropods have a brain that has 3 parts that helps because they have complex behavior, and they need a big brain to facilitate that. It has only 1 part brain, so we previously thought that our common ancestors must have had a 3-part brain, he said. People have described brains from other fossils before, but they only had a couple of specimens. We discovered 15 specimens to make our interpretations from. Dr. Vinther said, "There was a lot of shouting and cheering when the incredible specimen was found. When we got home and cleaned up the fossils, that's when we realized that the brain tissue was preserved in it," he said. "We decided to collect more, and when we went back, we found loads of new specimens, and we were able to find 15 in total, which is amazing as they are very rare. To find the fossils, we find plots of shale and we split the shale and the fossils are lying within the sheets of shale.